If you're on the hunt for a reliable washing machine that strikes the perfect balance between power, convenience, and value, the BLACK+DECKER 4.1 CUFT top-load washer, model BTLW41MW, deserves your full attention. This top-load machine offers a generous 4.1 cubic feet of capacity, ideal for families of 3 to 5, while maintaining a sleek, compact design that fits effortlessly into modern homes, apartments, or small laundry spaces. One of the standout features of this washer is its 10 preset wash programs, which cover everything from heavy-duty loads to delicate garments, quick 15-minute washes, cold water cycles, pre-soak settings, and even spin-only modes. Its intuitive LED touch panel, paired with a classic rotary dial, makes operation a breeze, even for first-time users. The see-through glass lid adds both functionality and elegance, allowing you to keep an eye on your laundry mid-cycle, while the delay start function lets you schedule washes around your lifestyle, whether you're sleeping, working, or out running errands. When it comes to performance, the BLACK+DECKER BTLW41MW doesn't disappoint. It's built to operate quietly and efficiently, with a smart auto-balance system that reduces vibration and keeps your laundry stable. The stainless steel drum ensures durability and resists rust, making it a long-term investment for your household. Most importantly, it's designed with energy and water savings in mind, helping you lower utility bills over time. Of course, no product is perfect. This washer does lack certain advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity or steam cleaning, and it might not be the best fit for larger households with heavy laundry needs. But for its price point, just over $500, it delivers exceptional value, reliable performance, and a clean, user-friendly interface that makes laundry feel less like a chore. When compared to competitors like the GE GTW335 ASNWW or Samsung WA44A3205AW, the BLACK+DECKER BTLW41MW holds its ground well. While GE's model offers a few extra cycle tweaks and Samsung brings smart features to the table, BLACK+DECKER wins in simplicity, stability, and ease of use. No unnecessary complexity, just solid, dependable washing every time. If you're ready to upgrade your laundry game with a washer that blends function, form, and affordability, the BLACK+DECKER BTLW41MW might just be your perfect match. We've included a direct link to purchase on Amazon in the video description. Check it out and grab yours today, with official warranty and fast delivery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real, honest reviews on home tech and appliances that make everyday life easier.